Okay, my tutorial is probably a little late, but better late than never. Today we are going to be crocheting a beanie. I've got my 4-ply yarn, my 5mm hook, and I got a pair of scissors and my needle tape, darning needle, tapestry needle, whatever you want to call it, to sew in my ends when I'm done. But we are going to get started. Let's start by doing our slip knot. And we're going to chain 4. If I can yarn around. It's hard to look through this phone and crochet at the same time. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go back to this first one and do our slip stitch to make a circle. We have our little circle here. Now we're going to chain 2. That chain 2 will not count as a stitch. We're going to do 12 double crochet into this circle that we just made. 12 double crochet. So continue around with your 12 double crochet. Okay, I finished my 12 double crochet. We're going to skip this chain 2 stitch and go into that first double crochet and do a slip stitch. That's round 1, 12 double crochet. You can close your circle now or wait till later. Round 2, we are chaining 2. That does not count as a stitch. We are going to place 2 double crochet into each stitch. That's going to give you 24 double crochet when you finish. 2 double crochet into each one of these stitches from the previous rounds. So put 2 double crochet into each stitch. Continue on. Okay, we now have 24 stitches in round 2. This is round 2. We put 2 double crochet in each stitch. Now we are going to slip stitch into that first double crochet stitch right there. Round 3, you chain 2. Remember, your chain 2 does not count as a stitch. We are going to put 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And that's the pattern you are going to repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you should have 36 double crochet at the end of round 3. Continue all the way around and make sure you have 36 stitches when you're done. Okay, this is the end of round 3. You should have 36 stitches going around. Did 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So we increased in every other stitch to make 36 stitches. For round 4, we slip stitch, in that first double crochet around 3, chain 2. It does not count. Put 1 double crochet in that same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and that's going to be a repeat. One double crochet in this stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Oops, sorry, my cord is in the way, and 2 double crochet in that next stitch. So that's a repeat. We're doing 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet all the way around until you have 48 stitches. On round 4 you should have 48 stitches. Keep going around until you reach your 48 stitches at the end of the round. We're at the end of round 4. You should have 48 double crochet, because we are still increasing, trying to make the crown part of the hat larger. So you should have 48 double crochets going around. And we're going to slip stitch in the top of this double crochet. Round 5, chaining 2, 1, 2, put a double crochet into the first 3 stitches, just 1 double crochet in that one, double crochet in that one, just cat, and we're doing 2 double crochet in the next one. This is going to be our repeat for this round. Do 1 double crochet in that one, 1 double crochet in the next one, 1 double crochet in the third, and 2 double crochet in this one. And repeat that all the way around. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. And you should have 60 stitches when you come back around. This is round 5. We're gonna have 60 stitches. Keep going. Okay, this is the crown. It is measuring so far. It is at 6.5 inches, and that is for a medium size adult head. If you want to make it larger, just go to round 6 and do 4 double crochet, and then put 2 double crochet in the 5th stitch, 4 double crochets, 2 double crochet in the 5th stitch, 4 double crochets around, then 2 double crochet in that 5th stitch, and then continue that pattern all the way around. But I'm going to stop here with the 6.5 inch crown. If you go for the larger size, it should be 7 to 7.5 inches. So I'm going to stop right here and do my slip stitch in that first double crochet, chain 2, and now we're just going to put 1 double crochet into each stitch around. No more increasing unless you're going to make a larger size, but 1 double crochet into every stitch, and we're going to repeat that for as many rows as you would like. I usually do start from here and do about 12 to 14, depends on how long you want it. I usually start, this is row 1. I usually do like 12 to 14 rows in all. So right now we're just doing 1 double crochet all the way around until you reach the length of the hat that you want. Just keep going. Okay, I'm going to bring out a different hat so I can show you. And I did 14 rows. I changed colors on this hat, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 rows, so 14 should be enough. Unless you want it longer, you can make it where you could fold it up or whatever. Just continue around with double crocheting all the way around after you get the crown size that you need. And the crown size for a medium adult head is 6.5 to 7 inches. For a larger adult is 7 inches to 7.5 inches. So make sure you get your trusty tape measure and measure when you get to 5 rounds on your beanie. Make sure you measure it. This one was 6.5 at 5 rounds. So you can continue another round if you think it's going to be too small for you. And that's the tutorial for today. Like I said, keep on crocheting. Do your number of rounds you want. Enjoy your day. Keep crocheting. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And y'all have a great day. Thank you.